What's up everyone, Chris Record here. It is Thursday, October 26th, and it is day 4 of the Viral Clipping Academy. If you are watching on demand right now, if you're watching the replay, I encourage you, show up live. We just spent like an hour interviewing top affiliates who are making money, sharing success stories, and revealing some of the new things that are about to be released inside of our organization that are amazing. Join the pregame. Join the pregame. It is lots of fun, and it's just a great community, and it's just like a family vibe. You know what I'm saying? It's a very, very good family vibe. So with that being said, what I'm gonna do today is I wanna pick up where we left off yesterday. So day 3 and day 2, I was grabbing clips off of YouTube, and then I was essentially grabbing the full YouTube like podcast, and I was finding little clips inside of them and going through. So I wanna do the same thing today, but every day I wanna add a twist to it. Today, what I wanna do is I actually wanna grab a clip out of the Atlas Academy. I figured this is a great section for us to learn how to clip as well.